Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. I know I kind of got like a different setup, but this is kind of what I'm doing. But I went on ahead and did my brows. Oh, that's my husband right there. I hope y'all can see the light. This light is kind of weird, but yeah, that's the hubby. I'm about to do a quick eyeshadow look. I'm not gonna do any foundation. Did my brows, okay, and so I got some concealer on my hand from when I did my brows, and I'm just gonna go ahead and put that on my eyelids, okay. Now mind y'all, I don't think I'm going to be doing any foundation because I just don't like when I get on my mask, so at least not today. But I will do a quick eye makeup look just to get, a nice look. I'm gonna make some omelets. I'm sorry if y'all can't see me. I don't know, can you see me this way? I hope y'all can see me. I'm working with one. I said I was gonna film while I was on this trip. So that's what we're gonna do. The lighting is terrible. And I'm at an angle where so anyway, we're gonna be going in with this eyeshadow palette. Y'all probably seen me use this before. Urban Decay Born to Run. And I don't know, I'm wearing black. So I'll probably just do like a neutral color, a soft glam, but with black, because y'all know I like black. So we're gonna just do that real quick. I'm gonna be going in with my my rundown brush, beauty brush that I have. I'm gonna go in with this black shade called Jet, and we're just gonna start with that. We're not gonna do a transition just yet. We're gonna just work on the outer corner. Shoot, I'm sorry. I'm looking at like two different places. I feel like, I hope y'all can see me. Y'all can probably see all in my nose. Dang. This is terrible. I don't even know how I'm gonna do this. Let's see how good you could be doing your makeup with one hand. I might end up switching out this brush just because we could get it out of that. Me, I'm so sorry. Okay, so I found the little chair. So I'm just working that black. I don't know, we might do two shades. I don't know, it just depends on how I feel. I just want a nice, y'all know me and my black. I don't even know what I'm going for. I'm just kind of playing it by ear. But eventually, we'll figure that out once we get to go on here. So when I'm done with my makeup, anyway, we in Las Vegas. We got here around, gosh, man, I think it was like 5:30 in the freaking morning because our flight was just terrible. Not like it was a layover. It just messed my sleep up. So yeah. And I wanted to work out, and I'm still going to work. I'm starting my workout tomorrow morning, but I'm gonna try to do makeup tutorials for you guys. Y'all, I said I was going for a natural look, and I know this look nowhere natural, but there's a trick to it. I'm gonna show you. you can still have a natural makeup look, even if you're wearing black. You just got to know how to work with it, right? So that's what I'm going to be showing you guys. This lighting is different, but it looks really good, like really good. I don't know what y'all see on y'all end, but on my end, it's pretty dope. And so I might go in with like a transition color. We'll go in with this color called Riff, and we're just gonna blend that into the black, just so it won't look too harsh, you know. We'll just blend that into the black, right? Okay, look at us, y'all. I'm liking what I see. We're even gonna apply that Riff color into the crease just to give it some dimension. Yeah, there we go, like that. Okay. And now y'all know me, I use the same brush for everything, so I just literally wipe that off because nobody got really time to be. So I'll lift up my brow, and I really just want to blend out that harsh line right there. You know, that's what we're doing. That's what we want to do. Now I know it's early in the morning and I'm wearing evening time colors. That's okay. That's okay. You can do what you want. You know, you just got to make sure it's done right. That's all. I wish the lighting was cool here. I don't know how to change the lighting, but it is what it is, I guess. Maybe, let me see something. I'm sorry. Now, can y'all see me now? Okay, maybe, I don't know. Okay, so we got our black, and I feel like I'm just gonna like go in that corner right there, you know, because we need to deepen that crease area. Yeah, just like that. Y'all see that? See how we just deepen it? Yeah, like that. Yeah. I promise y'all, it's cute. It's cute. This, we're gonna have to do something with this lighting. I don't like it. I don't like the lighting on here. Just yet. Okay. Well, I'm almost done, Reg. I'm almost done. Because I know he probably like, oh my gosh, you have to do your makeup. Well, yeah, because I don't really get to do my makeup that much, and I want to. Oh my gosh, I literally bought lash glue and no lashes, so I guess I won't be wearing no dang lashes. Dang it. How does that even happen? Oh, goodness gracious. I mean, I could buy some. Yeah, I probably would. They got a CVS, Target. So we're staying on a strip, you guys. Y'all know how Vegas is. If you've been, they got all the hotels. But right now it's a Tuesday, and it's really like, you know, due to, you know, the pandemic and stuff, it's really nothing really going on. Which I'm okay with that, you know, because could find things to do. You know, that's the beauty of it all. You find the things to do, and you're good. So y'all see what I'm doing? I'm literally just going in with that concealer, leftover concealer that I had, and I'm just gonna pat that out on my eyelid, like in the inner corner area. Y'all see? And you see how that looking right now? Look pretty, huh? And I'm gonna like, I wish I had like a lighter color, but I don't. I'm gonna use the lightest color on this palette, and just to bring it out and, you know, get it to pop. Because that's what we're gonna do. We literally just used 2 shades. This is a super quick, simple makeup look. All right. If you wanted to stop here, you could, but I'm gonna keep going. I'm just gonna add that eyeshadow right there. It's not gonna be long because I don't have my lashes, and yeah, I don't, there's certain things I don't have on me. So you see that? You see how bright that got? Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. That's what I'm talking about. And so don't worry about, I really just take the brush right here, and the blending brush, and you just blend it. I'm not finna brush all that in. I don't know whoever knew the tricks to that, but look at that. You blend that stuff right in. It makes the job a lot easier, you know? And that's what I'm doing. I don't have an up close mirror, so you just blend it in like that. Oh yeah, y'all can see it way better. Y'all see that? Simple. I use 2 colors. No, 3, I'm sorry. I use 3 colors. I use Jif, and I use Breakaway. That's the lightest shade. Then I use Black Jet. Y'all see that? Very simple, quick. My brows is on fleek. Y'all see what it is. Let's finish her up. Okay. Now I'm gonna go ahead and add a little liner to my eye because I don't have my lashes, and I just kind of want it to come out, so, you know, make it pop while I wear my mask. Since I'm not going to be wearing any foundation like that, I'll throw some translucent powder. Okay, you guys, so I went on ahead and finished it up for you guys. I'm gonna have you look. I went on ahead and I added my liner. I am gonna do a little highlight at the top and then in my corners, and then I'll be done. And that'll be the end of this video. And I'll come back and show y'all at the very end what it looked like, you know, and yeah. And we're gonna be good to go. Around here. Right? Right. Alright. So I'm just gonna take this, y'all know my same brush. Take that black off of there because I got this light color. And I'm gonna just blend that light color into the black just to give it a nice, you know, transition highlight. Give it some definition. Cause you know we be needing our definition now. Quit playing. You already know. So that's what that looked like right there. It looks pretty good. I like it. Can't complain, you know. Can't complain. It's pretty good. It's actually nice to me. I actually like it. And I'm just blending out anything I see that needs to be blended, because I'll just wipe it off, you know. My thing is just tap. The easy way to do if you don't want something, just tap at the end and it'll probably eventually disappear. All right, last thing, corner, and we're done. We're gonna do a little corner highlight, and you know, I don't want much. I like a little, but not a lot. Just a little bit, you know. A little bit goes a long way. I've been blowing my nose like crazy. That's why I don't want to do this foundation, okay? It'd be pointless. It'd literally be pointless, I'm telling you. Honey, when I tell you my nose is, yeah. Ugh. Okay, this is it. All right, you guys. This is the look. And once my hair is done and all that, I'll show you guys the final look. Y'all see my skin. I ain't gonna put no foundation on. I might just put translucent powder and call it a day. So I'm back and I'm finished. I went on ahead and did my hair and my makeup. I'm gonna give y'all an up close look. Really something simple and cute. I really just put like concealer underneath my eyes, and I put some not foundation but some blush on my cheeks. I didn't put anything by my nose because my nose is runny. I did put a highlighter on top, but that was it. And then I used my translucent powder. So I used this, my favorite translucent powder. This Wet n Wild highlighter is popping. I really love it. It's very pretty. Like, it's very soft. I really like it. And it's cheap. It's from Wet n Wild. So it's I shouldn't say cheap. It's affordable because the quality is amazing. And because I'm dry skin, I used this facial spray with aloe, herbs, and rose water. It's really good. So, I mean, it's really nice. So it gives me moisture. So if you want me to do more makeup videos as such, or I guess it's kind of like a makeup video slash, you know, get ready vlog. I got this little stain, but yeah, you know, I'm just wearing this little white t-shirt or whatever. Not really doing anything fancy. This is just my hair. We finna go out and get on these streets and do what we need to do, okay? And yeah, that's what we about to do. So make sure you subscribe to this channel, like and give this video a thumbs up, and I will be back with more videos for you. Ciao.